Hey folks, ever wondered which dash cam shines brightest in the dark? We're diving into the best dash cams for cars with night vision. These gems pack infrared tech, clear footage, and sharp low-light performance, perfect for nighttime drives, parking mode, or accident-proof. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best dash cams for cars with night vision. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Toronzo 4K plus 4K Dashcam. If you're searching for clear and bright footage at night, this model deserves a close look. It records in 4K on both the front and rear, which helps keep license plates and road signs readable in almost any lighting. Even when the street lighting is weak or patchy, the camera still gives smooth detail. The sensor picks up dark areas well, so driving on quiet roads feels safer. You can see vehicles, markings, and objects without blur or haze. A nice benefit is the faster 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Older cameras with slower Wi-Fi often take a long time to transfer big clips. Here, the process feels smoother. You can pull full trips onto your phone without long delays. The built-in GPS adds even more value. You get route details, speed records, and timestamps in every clip. You catch both lanes and the edges, which helps during lane changes or tight city spots. The 3-inch IPS screen looks clean and bright. It keeps the layout simple with easy icons. Anyone can learn it in a few minutes. If the camera senses movement or a hit, it will record the moment. The G sensor locks those clips so they stay safe. Since the box includes a free 128GB card, you can start recording without searching for extra parts. This camera feels strong for anyone who wants high detail at night, consistent clarity, and easy daily use. It works well for commuters, long-distance drivers, and anyone who drives after sunset. Verdict? Choose this model if you want bright night scenes, strong clarity on both ends, and simple features that help in daily driving or long trips. Number 2. Red Tiger F7NP 4K/2.5K Dashcam. This camera balances high resolution, steady night view, and easy operation. Its front footage reaches 4K, and the rear records in clear 2.5K. The detail stays crisp even through rain, fog, or dim street lighting. Many dashcams struggle with dark roads, but this model handles them well. It brightens shadows without blowing out headlights. This helps when driving through poorly lit areas or open highways. It comes with a 32GB card, so setup feels quick and simple. You can place it on the windscreen, connect the cables, and start recording within minutes. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you move clips straight to your phone. The transfer speed is steady, and the app feels user-friendly. The GPS logs your route and speed. The 3.16-inch IPS screen gives a clean preview of your footage. Brightness and contrast stay balanced even under sunlight. The menu stays easy to read. You won't need to dig through confusing settings. The wide lens helps capture more of the road with each frame. It covers nearby lanes, parked cars, and sidewalks. WDR smooths sudden brightness like oncoming headlights or street signs. You avoid washed-out spots, which makes clips more useful. If someone bumps your car, the G sensor locks the clip before it gets replaced. The loop recording feature keeps storage fresh automatically. The bracket holds steady even on rough roads. The cable setup stays tidy because the wires can be routed cleanly around the edge of the windscreen. Verdict? Pick this one if you want clean night clips, a simple setup, and a smooth daily experience with enough storage to begin right away.
Number 3. Red Tiger Starvis 2 4K Dashcam. This model focuses heavily on night clarity, and the Starvis 2 sensor gives it a clear edge. It picks up more detail in darker zones, which helps on unlit roads or parking areas. Footage stays bright without harsh glare. You can see plates, lane lines, and reflectors even when other cameras struggle. Many drivers who often travel after sunset will notice the difference right away. The resolution reaches 4K on the front and high clarity on the rear. This helps capture both directions with smooth precision. The wide view covers the center lane, side lanes, and parts of the sidewalk. The image stays balanced when moving from bright to dim areas. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi speed helps a lot. If you keep lots of clips for safety or sharing, this feature saves time. The camera also includes a generous 128GB card, which gives plenty of space. The 3.18-inch touchscreen makes everything easier. You can swipe through menus, pinch to view clips, and adjust settings with simple gestures. Voice control lets you lock clips or start recording while keeping your hands on the wheel. GPS logs your route and speed. Each clip shows where you traveled. Loop recording keeps older clips rotating, and the G sensor protects key moments. The bracket holds firm, even on bumpy roads. The cable routes stay simple. Nothing feels complicated. Verdict: choose this model if you value bright night footage, fast clip transfers, and easy on-screen control with extra storage space. Number 4. Ovamin K600 4K Dashcam. This camera offers 4K detail that stays sharp in both day and night settings. Its sensor picks up fine details like signs, lane lines, and plates, even when lighting is low. Night scenes appear smoother with less noise. Bright lights do not overwhelm the picture. This helps when driving through areas with mixed lighting, like highways with scattered lamps or rural routes. The 3.59-inch IPS screen gives a bright and comfortable preview. The layout looks simple, so you can check clips at a glance. It includes 5G Wi-Fi, which gives faster transfers to your phone. The included 64GB card helps you start recording right away. The GPS system logs your speed and route. It adds helpful tracking data to each file. HDR balances brightness and shadows, which helps during tunnels, bright signs, or sudden headlight flashes. It records movement or light impacts. The G-sensor locks clips if it senses a bump. Loop recording clears older files and keeps the memory ready. The design stays compact so it doesn't block your view. The mount feels steady. Even rough roads won't shake it loose. The interface stays beginner-friendly. Verdict: pick this camera if you want sharp footage, smooth night scenes, and easy setup with enough storage for daily use.
Number 5. SUVCon 3-channel 1080p Dashcam. This camera brings 3 angles at once: front, rear, and inside. It suits drivers who want full coverage, such as rideshare drivers, parents, and anyone who wants to record inside the cabin. Each angle records in 1080p with clear detail. At night, the camera brightens faces and interiors without extra lights. The inside camera helps track events in the cabin. If you carry passengers, kids, or valuables, this feature adds peace of mind. The rear camera covers tailing cars, parking spots, and tight lanes. All 3 together create a full record of each trip. A 32GB card comes in the box. You can start recording soon after installation. The menu is simple, and the screen gives a clean view. HDR boosts clarity in dark areas. Headlights and reflections appear softer and less glaring. Loop recording rotates older clips and keeps memory free. The G-sensor locks clips when it detects sudden force. This helps in crowded parking lots or on the street at night. The compact design sits neatly on the windscreen. The cables stay hidden along the side. Drivers who prefer simple setups will appreciate the layout. The build feels lightweight but solid. Verdict: choose this one if you want 3 viewpoints with clear night detail and steady coverage inside and outside the car. Which dashcam should you buy? If you want the clearest night clips, pick the Torunasol 4K Plus 4K. If you want a simple setup with steady night detail, choose the Red Tiger F7NP. If you want bright night scenes and quick transfers, go for the Red Tiger Starvis 2. If you want clean 4K footage with easy controls, pick the Ovamin K600. If you want full inside and outside coverage, choose the SUVCon 3-channel.